Y'all, making faceless content is super easy now. I'm literally using AI to do the whole thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute. Did you miss me? But listen, I've been crazy busy behind the scenes learning new AI skills so I can come back and put y'all on game. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create lifestyle or UGC content with your AI twin for free using my brand new app. And yes, this is about to change your whole content flow. Now, the app that we're going to be using today is called AI Cash School Faceless Creator, and it's an app that I actually created. Now, when I created this app, I created it to be a free option for you to create an AI twin and start using AI to create content. With that being said, this app is limited. So with some of the features and tools that we use to build the app, it will limit you on how many images that you can process in a day. So if you get an error message saying connect your API, or if you get any kind of error messages saying that it can't generate the images, that means you have reached your limit for the day. Okay, anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to leave the link to the free version of this app down below this video. Now, once you click that link, it's going to bring you over to this screen here, and you're going to see this app is from another developer, and you're just going to press continue to app. Now, this is going to be the home page of the app. Now, since you are on the free version of the app, you will see preview and chat down at the bottom. You can just actually ignore those functions. That's not for you to use. Once again, you can just ignore those functions at the bottom. It's not for you to use. So this is going to be the home page of the app, and it's just telling you what the Faceless Creator app by the AI Cash School does, and how you can potentially make content without showing your face. So once you click on start creating, it's going to bring you over to the project setup page. This is going to be the home page for you to get started with creating your faceless content. Now, it's going to give you two generation modes. One is going to be the vlog mode, and the other one is going to be the UGC influencer mode. That mode is for you if you want to create images promoting a specific product. So if you are an affiliate of Amazon or TikTok or some kind of affiliate program and you want to promote UGC content or influencer content, then you would choose that mode. If you want to do vlog content, then you would choose the vlog content. So now I'm going to show you how to use the app. So we're going to click here and we're going to upload a photo of myself. Okay, now that we got that photo uploaded, we're going to scroll down. We're going to skip the environment setting because I don't need that right now, but I'm going to make sure the exact face and skin tone is selected. I want to do 9:16. Okay, and the type of vlog I want to do is probably a cleaning reset routine, and I'm not going to put anything under cleaning reset routine, but you can put whatever you want to put there. My outfit, I want my outfit to be silk pajamas, and you can scroll down, and I want to choose my hairstyle, and I want it to be body wave. And then for my makeup, I'm going to keep it on soft glam. For my skin, I'm going to keep it on medium, and for nails, I'm going to probably do French tip. Okay, so we have everything selected. And now I'm going to click on I confirm, and then we are going to click on create preview, and it's going to create our preview. Okay, so now it gave us a preview. So I have my pink pajamas. Everything looks good. Have the French tip nails, so everything looks good. What I'm going to do now is hit generate full storyboard, and it's going to start generating the images for my vlog. So let's sit here for a minute and let it generate those images. Okay, as you can see here, it generated the images and they look so good. So here's me drinking a glass of water sitting on the bed. Here's me holding some skincare. And also, if you notice, there's a script under each photo that you can copy, and you can put that script into whatever voice syncing app that you use, and you can make her talk. And it also has the action prompt where you can copy the action prompt into whatever image to video tool that you are using to create a video for each of these images. And then you can just edit them in CapCut to bring everything together. But as you can see, it does have some really good scenes. Here's her standing in the bedroom. Here's her, looks like she's folding up some clothes. And then she's actually putting up some books on the shelf. She's wiping down the dresser. Oh my God, these are so good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually turn these images into a video. So you do want to download all of the images that you want to use for your scene. Just make sure you download them. You will have the option to upscale the images as well. So just go through and pick the ones that you want to download and download them down onto your device, okay? Okay, so now that you have all of your images downloaded, it's time to turn them into a video. Now you can use any image to video generator you want to use. Today I'm going to be using Grok because it is free, and I will leave a link down below this video so you can access Grok. So now that we're over here on Grok, you're going to click on Imagine, and then you're going to click on the paperclip to upload your photo. And we're going to upload the photo of her drinking. And then it's going to automatically turn this image into a video without us putting a prompt in. Now that's funny. All you have to do is hit the download button and download it and save it to your device. Now you're going to do the same thing for all of your images. Hit the paperclip, upload file, photo library, and then you're going to select your next scene, and it's going to turn it into a video. Now if you want to use the prompt that's given to you in the Faceless Creator app, you can use the prompt for this particular image, but I'm just going to let Grok turn it into a video without us using a prompt. Okay, so we're going to hit download, and we're going to save that one, and we're going to do one more so you can get an idea. Hit the paperclip, go to upload file, photo library, and you are going to choose a photo, and Grok will turn it into a video. Okay, so now that we're over here on CapCut, this is super easy to do. All you want to do is merge all of your clips together. So you're going to hit new video, and once you hit new video, you are going to add your videos in the order you want them to be. So we're just going to go in this order here, and then we're going to hit add, and then we're going to continue to add the videos if they did not all add. So let's add one more. Which one was that? I think it was this one. Yep. Alrighty, so just press play to see how it goes.
Like you said.
And sometimes Grok will add audio to it. You can just turn the volume down on it, and it won't have the volume. Now what you can do, you can add text on the screen if you want, like clean with me or something like that. So we're just going to put clean with me on the screen. You can add your text on the screen if you want. You can add music, you can add transitions, whatever you want to do to bring your video to life, you can. I would add some audio, some trending audio on top of this to help it go viral. But this is essentially how you create faceless content with my new app, and also using Grok totally for free. See you guys on another video. Your games, took the blame, but I ain't heard no